Up for sale, I got a 1973 Corvette, finished in yellow with tan interior. It's a correct combination for the car. Number matching 350, turbo 400 automatic, nicely optioned, nicely paperworked, I guess. I'm gonna walk around it, fire it up, drive it. I'll point out any flaws that I do see. Thanks for watching, and here we go. Like I said, 1973 Corvette, finished in yellow with tan. Now there's two major flaws on the car. I'm going to point them out right away. About an inch and a half, little crack in the fiberglass, no big deal. And then it looks like when this speaker went out, they replaced it, so they kind of cut this hole in there, unfortunately. But that's it. You know, a couple other chips and stuff like that here and there, but that's about it. If you don't like that, I'm sorry, but let me tell you about the car. I have almost $20,000 in receipts from the most recent owner. Almost $20,000. I can't believe it. I have the original manual with the selling dealer business card, and let me stand here, and half the build sheet. It's option power windows, air conditioning, power four-wheel disc brakes, turbo 350 4-barrel V8 engine. Well, that's not an option. Turbo hydromatic transmission, that's not an option, but it's tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heavy duty battery, power steering, map lamp, which is kind of cool, AM FM, type of wheels that they were, dark saddle, custom interior, so the interior combination, that's a custom color, and yellow paint, but that's not color. I think it's half the build sheet. Again, I don't even know if I was on it, but there you go. And the selling dealer's on there too. It is, I'll read you that, Bob at McDormand Cherolet in Canal, Winchester, Ohio. So the guy, Paul Thomas, was the sales representative. Kind of cool. But on top of that, I have a monster stack of receipts for it. Anyway, everything works. There's a little touch-up right on this headlight. Another touch-up on this headlight. There are not too many flaws on the car, just a couple of chips and stuff here and there. A little chip down low. Nice paint. Looks to be the original body. It's a 4-owner car, and I have a letter from the 3rd owner to the 4th owner telling him about the car and everything that he knew. Kind of cool. Says that he's the 3rd owner. A couple of chips. And if I'm not mistaken, he got the car out of Florida. Another chip right there. Another chip right there. He got the car out of Florida. So it's a southern car, which would explain why the underneath is as beautiful and detailed and excellent condition as it is. I mean, the paint's beautiful. There are a couple of chips, like I said, but that's it. And that little crack in the front. You know what? I'll pop the hood. I'm going to be a little all over the place today. We'll go from that side. I showed you that little guy. You go here, nice body. Rally wheels. A couple of chips right down low on that door. $5,500 bill from D&M Corvette. Now I know Corvette enthusiasts, Illinois people, one of the best Corvette shops I know in the state, if not the country. So it was definitely taken care of. Nice underhood. You don't see that often on these C3s. Number matching 350, powered 4-wheel disc brakes. It's factory AC, but it's not hooked up. There's no belt, but it spins freely, so it hasn't seized. Power steering down below. Upgraded with an aluminum radiator and dual electric fans. And in driving it, I know it runs super cool. See, you know, it's free spinning. And another thing I want to point out is these control arms are so shiny. I did not do this. I don't know who did this, but there's been suspension work done on it, especially from being underneath it. I do know that. Nice, correct compartment. I mean, if you wanted to finish it, you put that little rubber thing, it's $50. You finish that, boom, all ready to go. I'll leave that open. Coming back this way. Two little chips right there. You open it up. Nice door jamb. Nice. Real nice door panel. It is power windows. Nice door jamb. Trim's nice down there. Real nice carpet on this side. Excellent bucket seat. It's a T-top car, by the way. And the rear compartment, which probably is one of the most beautiful I've seen. The carpet's excellent. It looks like the only thing they've put back there are the containers for the T-tops, or the little sleeves, which I have. They are included, and they look to be custom. They look like they were very expensive. I'll probably have a picture of that on the ad. Nice console. Again, power windows. Oh, the key's not on, that's why. Just joking. It goes all the way down, no interruptions. Don't tell me, oh, they don't work. Well, they do. Don't worry about it. Nice console, nice gauges. I don't think the clock works, but I got a brand new clock that's included. Gauges are nice. That whole cluster there. I showed you that one little opening there where they put the radio in. We'll hop out of here. We'll keep going. T-tops are in excellent condition. They fit perfectly too. This area is excellent. This area is beautiful. Little crack in paint right there. Underneath is gorgeous. Now I know 73 being a year of the back chrome only. Chrome bumper is in nice condition. A little bit of old marking in there, but nothing too bad. And this one looks to be, if this, let's say this is an 8 out of 10, this is a 7 out of 10. This back area is nice. Dual exhaust. Sound good. Sound really good. This back deck's excellent. Rear glass is excellent too. Couple of look like water droplets on here. Yeah. Couple of water drops. My apologies. I'll get that off. Two little guys and a third little guy. Again, those C3s, they're susceptible to that because this juts out. And a little guy right there. Another little guy. Another little guy. Again, don't let the chips misrepresent the quality of the paint because it was definitely a really nice paint when it was done. But I don't know how old it is. But it's been maintained excellently, other than the few chips and a couple of touch-ups and that one crack in the front. A little crack on here. Again, you know, you sit with your arm like this, that stuff's going to happen. It's kind of going to crack away at it. It's the same thing with a 73 Nova. I had a car like that, funny enough, same year. You put your arm there so many times, like the oils start to eat at it. But the door panel, other than that, excellent condition. Bucket seats are beautiful. I don't know if I addressed that, but they're excellent. Carpet's got a couple of stains, no big deal. You put your feet there anyway. Trim tag's still in place. Fire's right up. Smooth as can be. We will do the driving video soon. And the running video so you can get a better idea. Doors open and close as they should. And that's it. I already did this little area here. Just do a little quick run through. 73 Corvette, correct color combination, number matching 350, build sheet, almost 20,000 in receipts, original owner's manual, extra parts like new clock. I got 2 boxes that go with the car, T-top sleeves that go with the car, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, power windows, you name it. Real sweet car. nicely documented, 4-owner, receipts, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. We're going to fire it up now and then take it for a little drive. Like I said, time to fire her up. 350, number matching, optioned. Very smooth running. You know, the electric fans, aluminum radiator, so like I said, it runs cool. You know, okay, that's not hooked up, it needs a belt, but it's not seized. Power 4-wheel disc, power steering, and we're going to take it around now.